Good morning, students. Myself Anirban Guho, Solar Faculty of Sordek Institute of Engineering and Management. Today, I also discuss basic electrical topics, some basic term which is the most important with electrical as well as electronics as well as solar field. First of all, we also listen some basic term, the charge, then the voltage or potential difference, and then current, then resistance, then capacitance and inductance. And today I also discuss between this basic terminology and their unit and their different symbols, and there are some, if possible, some numerical derivation. First of all, I also discuss about charge. Basically, charge is two different particles, between two different particles to different ion. First of all, charge creates with the help of ion. Without ion, no charge will be created. Without charge, no potential difference will be occurred. Without any potential difference, no current will be flow. So, here charge, voltage and current, these three are related with each other and one depends on another. Today's topic, first of all, I also discuss about charge, and second of all, potential difference, and third of all, I also discuss about current. Here I also first discuss about charge. What is charge? Basically, electric charge is the physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electric field. Basically, charge are two types. One is positive and another is negative. The positively charged and negatively charged, and it measure the unit of coulomb, and this is expressed the capital C. And charge are two types. One is called positively charged and another is called negatively charged. And between these two charged particles, if two positively charged with coming with if two positively charged are coming with each other, so it will be repelled. It will be repelled. And similarly, if two negatively charged is coming with each other, so it will be also repelled. But if one positive charge and one negative charge are coming with each other, it will be attract with each other. So that's why you get a conclusions here. Same charge will be repelled with each other, or different charge which will attract with each other. So we also discuss the next topic, potential difference. Basically, potential difference we also explain with the help of water tank. This is the high level water tank and this is the low level water tank, and this is a pipe connection. If it is fully fulfilled with the water, and this is the not to be filled. Here, if we open the tap, the water flow from high level water tank to low level water tank until between the water level of higher level and lower level water tank are not to be equilibrium. So this is the phenomena of potential difference. So current can flow. This is the circuit, and current similarly can flow the positive to negative. Here, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. This is positive means higher potential and negative means there are lower potential. The current flow from positive to negative terminal means higher potential to lower potential. Without potential difference, the current cannot flow. So this is called the potential difference, and their unit is volt. The unit of potential difference is volt and derived by caps V. Now I also discuss another topic. This is the current. What is current? Basically, flow of free electron within a electrical circuit are called the current. In previous diagram I also discussed. This is the bulb, and this is the switch, and this is the supply voltage, and this is the positive and negative. And what is current? The flow of free electron. This is a closed loop path. You know, the current flow from positive to negative direction. That's why this like path. You also know the current flow which path? The electron flow the reverse path. So electrons are flow negative to positive side. So that's why what is current? Current is a basically flow of free electron are called current. The unit of current is ampere, and this is derived by amp and represented by caps A, and this is the parameter which is measured with the help of ammeter, and this is the parameter, the voltage or potential difference. This is measured by the another device or another measuring device is named voltmeter, and these two, potential difference as well as current, these both are also nowadays are measured with the help of digital multimeter. You everybody know today digital multimeter. Now I think you are understand these basic three topics about what is charge, what is potential difference and voltage, and what is current. So in my next class I also discuss about different parameters like as resistance, inductance, capacitance and so on. Thank you.